Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012 Remastered.
So far we've received and are playing entries from
Solomon Islands, Samoa, PNG,
Vanuatu, Micronesia, New Caledonia, Fiji, American Samoa.
and the list goes on.
Wow.
Would you like to have your music played on Radio Australia's FM stations all around the Pacific and on our website all around the world? Would you like to have your song on the Pacific Break 2012 CD? Well, we're waiting.
Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012 Remastered.
If you're an amateur musician in the Pacific, send us your best original song. It could start you on a whole new journey.
When we heard the band's name in the top of the Pacific Break, we really enjoy.
Details are at radioaustralia.net.au/Pacific Break.
Round long Pacific, you Paraman Wantem Radio Australia long shortwave, FM na live streaming.
Hello, radio friends, Sunday night, welcome. And my second day, blong des moon, yes, moon September, na my birth date, birth month, blo me na blo you, zadi, by celebrating first day, past then, today. So happy birthday, long all September, birthday, one talks. Me, Kenya kalan mi hope, long FM, na shortwave, na tu live, streaming long internet, blow you round long world or region, me play like talk welcome long you. Also one of no kind believe, see us, law to us, spiritual, is a pait na me long oliet or bureau long oliet. Well, news to come up sample wiki opinions already, friends. Is it in bell blong plenty people, want tell me? Be long one play young play girl blong Pakistan, or authority kisimem, you go calabus because. Or lisutim talk long kisim masses, na kukim long paya sample hap long Quran, Bible long all Muslim people. Because long despla behind me talk long leader man long Muslim long haposem despla young play Christian Mary make him osem. Or lisutim talk nothing. Well now news come up osemega witness he talk despla or talk true. Pakistan got a strong pla law long give him big pla make him save long people. I rabisim tok nungutim God, Allah, or Quran, or long or Bible. You play thing one already, friends. One belly must stop namelong all kind belief, all kind law to all people long on our country. Istab one pla, istab Hamas. I must so marry, suppose one pla you broke him law. Or you wrong him narpla. SMS come long this plus Sunday night 1 hour broadcast from Tok Pisin service plus 614-2772-7272. This plan number can plus 6142-7272-72. Time me working this radio broadcast me looking like ABC television now already, friends. A long ceremony where also call him ramp ceremony long talk goodbye long old soldier he die long Afghanistan behind him in die long 5+ soldier long Australia long hap but you may have more long despla long news. So Salem despla Salem ting tim loy come already, friends long number blome plus 614-2772-7272. The good long come back already, friends. kus na koli bagarpi me go through long despla week ko pinista long trinde. That's all me right now. Na mi come back long walk today here long studio.
Radio Australia on air na online long radioaustralia.net.au.
Close to 4 minutes, listen 7 p.m. Lo Papua New Guinea. Long news headlines, also me Tok Pisin, oli holium wampla ceremony in long Afghanistan. Long 5 soldier, long Australia die. Long week, long despla week. Also since long Australia put him head one time. Long out him worry, long all come up him all asylum detention center in long Pacific. And now we talk despla, he can come up him plenty all mental health issues. Na semitok pinis Pakistan polisi to oli holem kalabus pinis wampla Muslim leader uzat yestutim tok wampla yang pla Christian girl long bagarpim Islam. It's a long old story long despla week sample long old story all one walk make him despla week. Caroline Tierman been talked to one time director long Sama Institute of Linguistics and him say go through some SIL. Long Papua New Guinea met long team Lithgow, long sample long all good blow come up long despla hap. Long look long awesome accommodation you walk long come up now long all May long SIL. Kwanda napla good play story. Na two long Pacific Forum leaders meeting look islands you talk long Solwara na walk long fishery one long story long despla week interview long Dr. Tarsis Tara Kabu Taulaka. Already for example long story na two Shazi bin come look around long talk hello one walk lo here time is sick maybe like long meet him Shazi na picture one time kind of some long social network na. But Paulus Combe been talked to one time. Thank you, Paulo, long display interview. Paulus Combe been asking him long plenty or ask him one long using music, long promoting all issues or some long this around long I'm come long Australia and long Painimoni, long Honiara Referral Hospital, capital long Solomon Islands. You need him hospital long happy need him helping.
Lord, only by your grace we can enter in your courts. Kindness and love bounds forever. Nothing in this world can bring redemption like you. When I was living without hope, but your love sets you
One long all favorites blong me, na blong you too, na mi Sunday night. Already friends. 9.5 minutes, Elusim 7 p.m. Sing blong Wilson Kilo blong Solomon Islands. One plan nice plus sing blong Sunday night. One belly go long you. Sing Grace. One plan long story me looking long ABC News. Not to solo radio friends. All rescue line in Salong Taiwan. Ipain impinis body blong triple crew member blong pla lik balus been crash igo long side lo Mauden Civil Aeronautics Administration itog des bla airline or call them Da Peng Airlines aircraft been or been lose contact one time with flight controllers long Fonday to bla behind long takeoff long Taipei na now some talk news come up or pain him. There's la balus, one time body belong three black crew. So, yeah, plenty of news already, friends. 2 months, all bad, sad news. That's all this blah. Some news is a come up long, all good plan news, all sad, now all bad news too. Well, Deputy Opposition Leader, long federal opposition, long Australia, Julie Bishop, it talk all asylum seeker, long Sri Lanka. Only Masalim only go back because all war too, civil war finish long hap na let me talk. There's plenty long only come all economy migrant or some economic migrant or lani or biro long war long hap to only like losing country long on na come long Australia long pining walk na pining place down long hap all asylum seeker. Thank you. Sunday night music capoeira Uja Remo. Yes, all want to blong Torres Strait. This me been haplong radio drama blong MABC been go pass long en. Only call him the Strait. So one plug sing mark him sorry to Mazino ABC, SBS, you go pass long en one plug sing long en. Me must suppose me wrong in this ABC or SBS. I think it's ABC. Me not sure already. Friends Sunday night, but maybe confirm this one. I bring him back, come back. But one plug good sing long Sunday night. First story long till the night. Sama Institute of Linguistics or SIL, Ukurampa Training Center, is in Eastern Highlands Province. Is a school more people long time in book tambu or Bible go long all talk place long Papua New Guinea started long year 1956. Director long Sama Institute of Linguistics Team Lithgow talk emiamas awesome now all mega place long slip na kai long en. PNG Sustainable Development Program Limited ibin wampla long online usai ibin give him some money long build him desplo nupla dormitory. Caroline Tierman, he been asking Team Lithgow long story more.
This training center, lo SIL, is up lo Ukurampa, Eastern Highlands. Sampla walk lo SIL, me no clear suppose all listeners lo you yet them sabe lo SIL. So walk lo SIL Bible translation, tanem talk place, tanem book Bible lo talk place. Now kind something or same. So sample haplo this la me pla training more man me lo Papua New Guinea. Before a more white skin man come now walk this like kind walk. So now 90% nipla walk him training or schooling or man-melo Papua New Guinea inap emi can come na kisim save lo tanim Bible lo book Bible talk place belong in. So people have been working this or something, I think 40 years now. Lo 1970s people start this or something. Na we got one pla Lapun training center. That's all people working Nupla training center, Nupla building. So this last week, August 11, people are working one pla dedication ceremony, open Tupla building, dining hall. So I'm working this last year finish. So now last week by me working one pla dedication ceremony this now Nupla building this dormitory Mary.
Mr. Lithgow, coming up now. Ulmeri is a stopway.
People got one pla dormitory man finish, and we come up I think 2007, 2008, long time league. So now this dormitory Mary. So Miss Harvey or Plani Mary got like come kiss this kind of training. Tasolem had to maslo one pla dormitory building. Now man Mary stop one pla building. I mean no good pla passing. So we walk him one pla nupla dormitory place or Mary we can sleep. So maybe walking finish 11 August. One pla dedication ceremony.
Tim Lithgow, you played Summer Institute of Linguistics. I bin krapim desla nupla house sleep long ol Mary, you bla bin kisim sample halvi mi kamlo ol narpla line.
One per something or same timing or this and or same PNG Sustainability Development Program and one pala funda. Emi kamna Salem Kina I go lo walk lo this building. So one pla funda lo this na make a tupa another pla funda is lo America and help him lo kiss him Kina and up lo walk him this nupala building. So this dedication lo Saturday day by or man lo one pla boss man lo PNG Sustainable Development Program. Emen come na story one time mipla na stop one time this dedication program.
Start the time you play been opening I coming up now. You think Emi sabe halving to apart from a big pla walk and make him long tanim book tambu or Bible, but you think Emi halving too long all people or holy maid or talk place belong all?
Yes. So yeah, number one walk lo you talk straight this walk lo help them all lo kissing book Bible talk place belong in. So plan another plakan something stop lo side lo this walk in up lo SIL helping with something too. So this week two pla courses stop one pla course Hebrew course. A course lo school 15, 16 man married lo Papua New Guinea in up lo kissim sabe lo read na talk lo talk Hebrew. So some pastors emi come kissim this school kissim this sabe in up come up more better law or preaching long end. And some Mary stop this course too. Number 2 course is up now, literacy supervisor, literacy leadership course. In up law school in some man, I think 3 or 4 Mary stop law inside law this course too. Come kiss him some school in up law come up leader man or leader Mary, law walk literacy, law talk place belong in. So so kind of book Bible law talk place number 1 walk law SIL. That's all. Because some walk law side too, lo help him or line in up lo talk place belong in.
Lo desla nupla house or dormitory blongol merina house kai blongol tasol istap or all desla meri I bring him to all family blongol I come or blongol single meri.
Number 2 talk lo you lo single meri. So of course lo me play no long pa 2 months, 4 week, 5 week, 6 week or sem. So plenty Mary become I got married taso man belong in start back lo place. Come walk course taso. Or some more man come of course plenty man come got married taso start back lo place belong in. So this dormitory taso. So this dormitory lo Mary got 2+ story. So lo 1+ story up kiss him space lo 20 Mary up stop lo this room. So 2+ Mary lo 1 room. A Templar room is up, low downstairs floor or this la. So short course. So 1 sumat and tasol come. Minagat space law family belonging. Tasol course long play liklik tasol. 2, 3, 4, 5 per week or same.
Good plus story. So I think all Mary na you play it mas sama mas all same. This is a new facility stop now blong all Mary, yeah?
Me play mas true. Me this la dedication me play up in name lo big play. In up lo walking. This la walk on it lo hand long in. So me almost this la na PNG standard development. And me got like too lo helping Mary lo kiss him sample school. So no goodbye Mary or man kiss him train or Mary no is that big lo place. Emo kiss him sample training na education belong in. So yeah, Emma Maslo this la in uplo em kiss him kina lo PNG standard development in uplo helping this la. So me lo SIL me almost too lo this la em uplo help him sample more Mary and up can come na kiss him this la kind training. So me almost na meeting papa God by me almost too.
Long plagud blahab tu ya SIA long Korumpa, long Eastern Highlands Province, New Hampshire, Team Lisco, Director long SIL, Sama Institute of Linguistics, long Papua New Guinea, mi Dr. Matam Caroline Jeremy, na Dr. Long Desla, Susab long Miplay, CT, and Mr. Long Pomos belong Despla time, big money through Mxim Balus, you go long Brisbane, na any Guinea long Pomos, so CT, well, have a good holiday. Enjoy him holiday, relax. I want them family and friends. Now looking me long moon November, yeah, first week long moon November. So stop good.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
Now maybe call him story blow there's la sing blow lotu kapuia ujaremu come long choir long ran. Now there's la TV documentary TV drama series even come up long ABC, yes. So maybe in right, and then maybe and me call him SBS. So ABC The Straits long last year. One good drama series you got because there's a lot of Pixar or living close to long close up lo PNG na plant long little island long Torres Strait man one good plahap long Australia too. All right, radio friends, 22 minutes ilusim 7 p.m. long 7:30 by me bungim news one long story inside long news or radio friends long sing out long sios inside long Australia long government imas look long display or detention center li walk long try kirapim long Pacific. Sios leader we've been talk out long display to sing out long opposition party long Australia. Ito call only must deport him or all Sri Lanka people come long Australia or some like sablo here because plant long all economic migrant. Yes, Orlando, Fiji. Sing bula nongo itawi kamelong. Desplalan savuto. One black with sing. You got Pacific flavor long desplatan because there's lanar plus story. Pastam lingi bungim news. Carol Tirmini we talked to one time Dr. Tassis Tara Kabutaulaka, I'm a political economist long University long Hawaii, I'm a base long Honolulu, long Despla, big issue long Pacific Ocean na tuna long hab. Now Pacific Forum leaders meeting long Cook Islands, and we talk long Despla issue long fishing long hab because Solwara na walk long fishery one pla long big priority long hab.
Yeah, for Plandelo people of Pacific Islands, you may look in Solwara some source of food for you me as well. In a lot of cases, a lot of people you me have not so much a source of income generation, but more a source of food where it came. But increasingly for governments, Solwara Bliumi Hemi already become a source of income, and the future if seabed mining industries Hemi become important, by Hemi become more important as an economic commodity. Okay, low side low fisheries and particularly tuna. At the moment, one may happen now is that you may Pacific Island countries through agreements, both multilateral as well as bilateral agreements, you may sign him with him or the distant water fishing nations. You may one may sell him now is you may sell him access, Lord Solwara Bliumi. You may not really sell him now the value of the fish where or to catch him inside the country. Plan the time you may sell him now access license, or you may give him access license, Lord distant fishing nations, yeah.
Dr. Tassis is Tara Kabutaulaka, political economist, long University of Hawaii, long Honolulu, tok long yes. Fishing long line is long Nambis, no island, around long region, long one important hub. Long life na sidan long all that's all now or people who walk long sunnis long try and make him some kind of business that's all walk look out long fishing na fishery na long na solwara a big blahab long life long all people long Pacific little time long 7:30 PNG time 8:30 long Solomon Islands na Vanuatu by Bungim News. Stars long one talk long Solomon Islands na pen pipers long up Nara Sirato pen pipers sing style blong all mato. Makim Street Place custom blong Solomon Islands. Sunday night, time now 7:30. Radio Australia News, me Kenya Kala, all top story. Oli holy one ceremony in Salong Afghanistan, long 5 soldier long Australia died long last week. Also in Salong Australia put him head one time long out in Wari long all long come up in all center, detention center long Pacific long asylum seeker. Na Pakistani police to oli holim kalabus pinis one Muslim leader who said is to talk one young Christian girl long bagarapim Islam. In Salong Afghanistan, only been holding one ceremony, only call him ramp ceremony. Long talk goodbye long 5 Australia soldiers that had been died long last week. Jane Glenday report.
A lone piper played and Australian and coalition troops saluted as the 5 coffins were driven to the waiting transport plane. Lance Corporal Stefan Milosevic, Sapper James Martin and Private Robert Pote were killed when an Afghan army sergeant they were training opened fire.
In Salong Narpla Bureau long same day, Commando Lance Corporal Mervyn McDonald na Private Nathaniel Gallagher, he been died time US helicopter, only been flying, he been crash, time only been like land. In Salong Despla Service, Army Commander, he been talk Despla 5 soldier, been making 1 big walk, time only die. Family belong Lance Corporal Milosevic put him out 1 statement where he talk.
They say he was an outstanding soldier and a typical Aussie bloke who will be sorely missed by his wife and 2 daughters.
Reporting from James Glenday. Old church in Salong, Australia, he put him head one time long out in Wari Blongo long Kamapimo detention center in Salong Pacific Island Blongo asylum seeker. Olida blong sampla church one time Salvation Army na Anglican Catholic na Uniting Seals he been signing 1 statement or talk long nupla law blong federal government. Oli talk law iken bagapim name blong Australia. Oli talk towards some Australian maskisim of survivor blong 1 boat and been capsized long Solowara close to long Indonesia long last week. President of Uniting Church Reverend Andrew Jutney he talk kind offshore processing center it can come up in plenty health problems.
It's too late to change the legislation at this point, and we accept that, but there are other things to consider. So we're very concerned that there be a genuine commitment to follow through on all of the recommendations of the Houston report, including the increase of the numbers of asylum seekers and refugees to be accepted in the program.
Long Nameltam Ulipine 1 asylum boat close to Long Cocos Keeling Islands in the Long Australian Indian Ocean Territory. Customs officials it only been stopping boats along Surrey where been carrying 81 people. All by Kisimoligo along Christmas Islands where only thing by only Kisimoligo along Papua New Guinea, long Manus Island or long Nauru, long Streatham Askim, long all, long come up refugee. Pakistani police ito goli holim kalabus pinis 1 Muslim leader usaidi zutim talk 1 young Christian girl lo bagarapim Islam. Rimsha Mashi ibin stab kalabus time oli arrest him in Salonga Islamabad more long 2 wigo pinis. Oli student talk long young girl long light him sample page long Quran mini memi book him law in Pakistan igad. That's all now all holim despla Muslim law to leader behind long 1 witness, he talking police, yet he been putting sample hap long Quran, Holy Bible, blong all Muslim, he go in long shopping bag, blong young girl. All report he come long Pakistan, he talk court long tomorrow Monday, by Harim or talk blong give him bail, he go long display young girl. Now opposition party blong Australia talk government, he must rouse him long country will get asylum seeker, he come long Sri Lanka. Deputy Leader of Opposition, Julie Bishop, it talk plenty long people belong Sri Lanka who say they come up long Australia, through refugee. All emitok, all economic migrant, long come long Australia, long pining walk, that's all bureau of long war, long hap. Emitok 2 war ipinis, now Australia can get him all talk cross, one time Sri Lanka government, suppose they give him more refugee long despla, all people.
Sri Lanka is already making a significant effort by preventing many boats from leaving their shores. However, those who make it through should be the subject of a new arrangement for immediate transfer back to Sri Lanka without coming to Australia.
Display bin Radio Australia News.
Ikamlong ABC, Despla M Radio Australia, international online na radio service belong you.
Where time to email radio friends along studio 26 minutes ago by 8 p.m. Say Mark in Salong PNG good night long you. Display 1 hour broadcast or some long or later weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Me radio friend I want to Kenya Kalam. Later me Harim interview and Paulus Combo been making one to Shazi time me come round long studios me play long fun day. Shazi been come long Melbourne long fundraise. Halving one more fundraising long honey a referral hospital one pla big pla center hospital long Solomon Islands. That's all me been stopped by long studios, not Dr. One Time or one walk here. Policy been Dr. One Time and bungy mem. That's all past time already. Friends, me go long Vanuatu now. Radio Australia, you walk long been advertised. Na me play some sample good music. Na sing come long Pacific Break Competition 2012. One play long only come here long Vanuatu. Kind name to ya the Underdogs Package.
Hey, I'm Aaron Naka, one of the members of the Underdogs. I'm 17 right now. I'm in school in Australia doing year 11. And yeah, I'm from Ambai, Vanuatu.
Do you miss home?
Oh, well, yeah, I do a bit.
What do you miss about Vanuatu?
All the people and the music. No one listens to the same kind of music. It's kind of annoying.
So what sort of music do you like to listen to?
Oh, reggae, hip-hop, maybe dubstep, some electronic things.
Already friends, just said long one walk Big Mary's. I look out the music. Kim Taylor interview belong in one band member belong Despla group the Underdogs. Online belong one to put him. Yes, sing belong all hopefully. Only hope only wins a good luck long you plan.
Radio Australia on air na online long radioaustralia.net.au.
Napla group iputi mark long oli kamet long Radio Australia Pacific Break long Despla group long Papua New Guinea oli call him Abide na Despla I sound osem wampla osem music rock and roll na kind osem but music long lotu peace inside you.
Everyone looks for it. Looking high places, looking low places, only ending up with some faces, yeah. Some even end up dead, 'cause they're searching with wrong intentions. There's a beast inside you, and you don't even know it now. You're blinded by obstacles around you that confines you now. Are you overwhelmed by situations, yeah? Are you feeling sadness? Find that peace, it's inside you. Come, my friend, today. Hear the voice of the Master. Inside you, and you don't even know it now. Blinded by obstacles around you that confines you now. Inside you, and you don't even know it now. Blinded by obstacles around you that confines you now. There's a beast inside you, and you don't even know it now. Blinded by obstacles around you that confines you now.
Thank you. I'm good sing already, friends. Peace inside you. One long Pacific Break competition musos. You put him sing blongoli kamelong entry blongoli kamelong despla competition. Nine blong despla group abide. Alright, already friends long despla namel time you bungim shazi. Ibin come round long Australia, long Bristol, long Brisbane. Na long Fonde, Friday mi bin come up long Melbourne, good place city, lo mi pla. Reason mi come long Melbourne, mi bin hap long sing out, na halbim long painim sample little 1 kina or Aussie dollars long. Halbim one time all walk long big house long Honiara, long Honiara Referral Hospital, Solomon Islands, Victoria Association been happening displacing up long any come long here, and we've been giving time long in. That's all time when we come up here long studios. Paulus Combo been talk to one to me and ask him long display also or musicians also is put him time long all. He go along also fundraising to help him one time all charity walk na kayo sem shazi.
All music man Mary is have a show him big play like long sing or perform long all can boom also the association fundraising you talk long in this also have like walking display free also free of charge and kind of display he talk him you me one him why you show him like long walking display
actually him good promotion as well as him part of me help him all people lo place where stop overseas and lo come and put in people boom together. I want to do something else. Me look forward to all the time.
Me play walk long harem also. You have a present in one play radio program. Or they call him One Talk. Inside lo Solomon Island. Talk him you me lo desela program. Lo desela program lo
yeah, actually hemi local music program lo Solomon Islands. And also hemi feature him too with other artists lo overseas. And this lo One Talk program. Basically lo update him all people lo Solomon Islands going around in the region actually and side lo music so that also have a cop up and sabe about him what not going on lo side lo industry lo music.
Now you have a present him display lo when lo weekly or how often do you have present him?
I come on lo every Saturdays lo evening like 6 p.m.
You know, respond, lo back him blong or audience, Lani or some followers blong you na kind of some how much you have? I mean, when them can listen to you got na kind of some little program.
Demographically, where I'm coverage below ZFM Kasim around the central province and apart from the city itself in Honiara, it should be around 30,000 people who are listening to this program.
Music, lo side belong music. All young people belong today. You have a music, you send it plenty time too. Now, all young people belong today. Long looks have belong you. When kind music you look him all young play, he like harem now.
Now we have people into R&B and reggaeton and zouk and other genre of music, but the thing that everyone else should concentrate and more into it is that music is always a unique part of life, and for promoting culture bloom is one unique way of it. So me toko se me like encourage him to muscle young pla lo Peles, lo Solomon Islands, and even out lo Pacific. That is, you must take him up music bloomy and blend it with whatever type of music you like for making blend, but no lose him now identity blame.
Me play clear also. You been walk one time also. Sample time you walk close to one time. Sample music man Mary, especially of music land blow Australia. So suppose this is red. You have kissing one mo lanim one long or can boom or some suppose you boom finish na la tramlo boom one time sample music man Mary blow Australia.
Actually, me no learning anything out from water because it's too Western little music law, and I better off like me mentioning earlier on is that whatever me doing, but me actually must concentrate and keep him the identity part lo side lo music play me lo Pacific.
Lani walk boom one time you blow or not plow lo Australia. You think only lani one lo you?
Commercially, time you survey that you become marketable, you need to know your connections and way of how they go about him music blue, and especially time for hook him up all the gigs and shows overseas. So those people actually are taking me lo Nara road or level where I miss how na miss I go through Australia and abroad.
Okay. Now, long all can walk boom or some sampla only land long Australia only land him something lo you na you tram lo land him something long all. You looking one of challenge is tab long display. I mean, you get sampla kind challenge is tab na mel.
I think by me just put him on same number that you need for saving more about the music blogger and especially the instruments they're playing. And so see me blend him together with him with a local instrument, blame me, that would come up with something different.
All right. Sasi, now you long this time now time you look long internationally now all get another perhaps too. Music you got senis you work long come up long music all get a time long this time. So this all kind senis you work long come up long all get a time and we put him some kind mark or some kind heavy and up music you produce.
Definitely. Side lo trend lo music ham changed nearly every 6 months. And also, a different artists come up with him own unique part or way of how not go about the music blow. So, to catch up and actually update Lord kind something or same is very important.
All right. Now, talk side blow music now. You know, you music man, you man play music. That's all. You know, some time you man stop now. You stop. Working one play something. Me play side also. You must have like you got like lo harem some kind music or some kind radio kind something else. What kind music you got like lo?
Yeah, me inspired a lot by our old music, country and western, and apart from that one, our classic or old school music, because those actually are the songs that you get them out humor a lot of it. And my music is actually into love and waiting about current situations where we go through life, and so those are the type of music that really inspired me since I was a kid.
Sasi, time you look long, there's a time plan the old young club long you long Pacific, only like working music or some live sit down long or some Korea suppose only come up successful long and long or this line I mean trangu plan the long only work long struggle na kind or some long go inside long kind industry or some long kind line or some when them kind advice or talk savage school you can give him long.
Well, music is also same sport. You got spotted or scouted, and the thing is, you have to continue and maintain him. And a lot of times, you may feel the same. Hey, no one look at me now, and nobody discovering me side music playing. But consistently is a good word. So continue with what you're doing, and probably one day, people will be sorry about him. And it doesn't take it overnight. It has to be through the years.
Sasi, me play calling you Sasi, tasolam all plan to listen up long, me play long Pacific by Odino Nablum Believable, some man is up live long Radio Australia and talk to one time me play. So thank you so much, Sasi long talk to one time, Tok Pisin stream long Radio Australia tete. Me play talk big play, thank you to much long journey Yumi, but Pasam long you may finish him. Me play like asking you, suppose you can give me play one plan number, one plan music belong you long to tell some me play can put him out. So one music now, suppose you got time to play one play. One music now you like play long me play now.
Actually, me like for put him on this song, Soul Wara Mary, because it's one of the biggest hit in the Pacific, and also it's an old song about a decade or so years with him this song Lo Papua New Guinea with him Holy Maya. But then me a remake of it, have making this song him able for come live again Lo Pacific.
Hey Lewa,
You alright? Walking one him now, talking me lewa. How by me sabe you alright? Making me ting long you. Koke te mole o whawhine, te maramare o hahine, te sakasa ere mga mawhine, e iwahine salao. Solwara merio, meke mi karai long you, o lewa. Why oh why na me?
Man, Sasi, one plat number straight meeting online sit down Haram long Pacifico one hub some plat thing you go cut him yauna gada thing only cut him finger to one time. So all right, awesome. Pastor me finish man. Tarapla thank you to my Sasi me plan unbelievable you come up live long Radio Australia me play talk big plat thank you to Maslo join him Radio Australia. Na awesome me play wish him you best of luck long or walk about na trip long you round long Australia na me play thing by you line and plan something along Australia. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tro.
Paulus Combo, thank you, Nashazi, thank you, Lito. One pla good pla bung, one pla good pla conversation, story lo music, fundraising na music, Australia, Western music na too. Me to was me like him good through some plant along all old or some country na Western na kind music or some so. Na young pla yes must think him identity blue you go back lo music long place. There's the big man lo music lo Pacific Shazi thank you na Paulus Combo.
Despla Radio Australia.
Little time already friends by me closing station bring him all one work play English na two salong English news. I'm little to talk along tomorrow, long night broadcast, long 2 hour broadcast, bringing news, musical interviews, na 2 health report, na plenty long all good story round, long regime long yimi. Talk long regime long yimi, me go long the best entry, Pacific Break competition long year 2011, long last year. Me bring one long all, long Samoa, or call him Foki Mine display come long Jamie want them DJ Sa me look him name Ken Sands. Sorry, too much word past them. Me look him cut number 4. Jamie and a DJ Sims belong belong Samoa but belong Tonga. Now.
Have done something to me. Now conduct slopes. You got me handcuffed to your heart, and it's true. Sweet darling, I'm lost without you. Yeah. Imagine pain in the summer. Right through the season, like over and over again. I bring sunshine, yeah, to the cloudy days of my life. Oh, yeah, wait, I ain't fucking my own. Talia to lo imata taekai. Talu mehe aho na tamavai. Oi, si okelo toni okukei bye bye. Oh, yeah, wait, I ain't fucking my go away, Talia to Talu mehe aho na tamavai. Boom boom my girls, I wanna come to you. No, yeah. Peluteni e ofani e osi afe.
Thank you. Yes, blong tonga na olis. Ani sim style good through. Ikamet long Jamie want them DJ Sims blong tonga Foki Mai. You got na bla some hockey mai. So you got different versions long this bla. But one bla long all best song entries long 2011 long Pacific Break na this place stable CD na Mr. Blong cut number 4. Nami like talk hello long Keith na all want talk long hap long madang good night long you me back him there's like question ask him me talk Tok Pisin hap long likely Christian Mary here Quran me pull up long Aaron's ting or some planty ting Kilian I asu long me talk now I'll get a time isanesim isabe senis istabiet long this plus. So Keith, thank you long this one and only text message long this plus Sunday night 1 hour broadcast. So thank you long this plus good plus ting yeah. Suppose had introduction long me long start long broadcast. Na start long news long 7:30 police long Pakistan now yolem kalabus. One pla Muslim cleric, one pla Lotu leader long Muslim or Islam long Pakistan. Behind me at all witness, one pla witness it talk, young pla girl yet, been light him upon him all paper, light him all half page from Quran, no got yet, all student talk was him this la Muslim cleric, law to leader yet, he been put him this all paper, long bag, long display young pla Christian girl. So Pakistan, Christian, Islam, or believe all kind spiritual kind believe or law to make a big pla heavy long up. So only thing was tomorrow Monday about ask him long bail long display young pla girl who side stop be long calabus more long 2 week. One pla long story me play walk long behind him already friends. Plenty Pacific story long this time. But some one pla long story me play put him accommodation long on Mary long SIL now he stop one pla good pla hap long Ukarumpa long hap fisheries na fishing long Pacific Dr. Tarsis Tara Kabutaulaka been talk long en one pla political economist long university long Hawaii long Honolulu na walkabout long Shazi come long Melbourne first trip long en long Melbourne long fundraise long Honiara Referral Hospital big town long Solomon Islands. So good long use him all musicians long fundraise here long overseas or long Australia or some long Deslam fundraising long Solomon Islands. Behind him yet sing out long Solomon Islands Victoria Association. Well, me believe was in PNG2 by bunging big black group long all long September. Well, talk. Finish now because me like talk. Thank you long you. Good night.
It's 4 p.m. in Bangkok, 5 p.m. in Manila, 6 p.m. in Tokyo. Radio Australia News, I'm Robert McLean.